In this video, we are gonna find out why the latch occurs. 3 situations will generate the latch. First up, I need to claim sequential logic will not synthesize to latch no matter if it matches the situation below. Only combinational logic has the risk of generating a latch. In the first situation, let's take the following statement as an example. This is a complete if statement. We can see that its logic circuit will not generate a latch. However, when we remove the else part, Vivado will synthesize a latch. Even though the if and else if statements have listed all the situations, generating a latch can still not be avoided. Thus, the else statement is a must in the if statement in the combinational logic. In the second situation, here is a complete case statement, then it will not generate the latch. If it doesn't list all values of variable of a and b, that means once the value that the case statement didn't list, the latch will lock the present value until the available value is sent. Thus, if you don't want to generate a latch and don't want to list all the case conditions, listing all case conditions is a must. The default statement will be a perfect solution. In that way, even if some values are not listed, they will be all matched into the default statement. This is similar to the else statement in the if statement. In the third situation, if the output variable is assigned to itself, it will also generate a latch. No matter whether you are using else or default statement in the combinational logic, it needs to keep its previous value once the input value matches this judgment condition. So it is easy to understand. A latch will match this situation, thus assigning output value to itself is not recommended. In summary, else is a must to end the if statement. All the input values need to be listed in case statement. A easier way is to use default in the case statement if you don't want to list all the input values. Moreover, don't assign the variable value to itself. That's all for today's video.